The S&P is already down over 3.5% from its highs. We called the top inside of Nordic Alpha, and we took our shorts at the top. And I can assure you that this one level is going to be the only level that matters. And I'm going to give it to you inside of this video, and I'm going to tell you exactly why it is so important. And if you want to know exactly why the S&P is dumping and exactly why the stock market is likely going to continue to dump to the downside, there are some massive downward targets on this. I promise you, massive downward targets that would probably surprise you. I'm going to tell you exactly why the S&P and the NASDAQ and the entire stock market in general is tanking inside of this video, and I'm going to show you exactly why this is happening from not only a fundamental but a technical perspective. And if you're not familiar with who I am, my name is Drew Wolfer. I am a pro trader and I am the founder of Nordic Alpha. Inside of this community, we literally called the top on the S&P just earlier, and I have some put positions that are up over 100% right now because we literally took the short at the top. And if you were paying attention, you already know that we called the top. So let's get straight into the charts. I will show you why, and then we will talk about the fundamental factors that are driving this as well. Now, as you can see, we are down 3.5% from the highs. We have now done a really bad thing. We have broken market structure to the downside on not only the 1 hour, but the 4 hour, the 12 hour, and the 1 day chart. This is really bad news and really bad territory. And one thing I can tell you is that this level right here, if you close a 4 hour, a 12 hour, and a 1 day candle under $6,814.50, the downside on this thing is so astronomically ridiculous that it is going to be unfathomable. I'm talking about, I literally had my mom and my wife both sell out of their 401k into cash positions to wait for this correction to come. They sold the top, and so did I. You just can't short in 401ks. And they put it into cash to wait for the bottom to come in, and then we are going to put their money back into the markets once that bottom comes in. Now, if you want to understand exactly where this thing is going, exactly where these supports are going to be that could rip us back to the upside into new all-time highs, you have to get inside of Nordic Alpha. It is less than $1 a day right now. It is $29 a month, and that is where I give you all of my levels, all of my trade setups. We literally just posted a video today telling everybody, hey, here's all of our levels, here's where the new trade setups are, all of that good stuff. We have an entire channel, which I'm not going to click on it, but we have an entire channel showing equity swing ideas, your equity trade ideas from a day trading perspective. And literally 2 days ago, I was telling everyone, the S&P, we broke market structure to the downside. This does not scream strength to me. We are still in a downtrend. We are about to tank. I said this yesterday. If we lose 68.65 and 68.15 and tank, we did. Look at this chart, absolutely astronomically down right now, and it has much further downside. Why did I say that this was going to happen? And actually, I took my shorts right here. So I am in from here all the way down to here. I've not taken profits yet. We had our all-time highs right here. We tried to then come up and crack the all-time highs, which isn't, necessarily bad, right? Whenever you get a rejection like this, we got an immediate and subsequent rejection, and then we just kept legging down. Lower lows, lower highs. Then you saw a little bit of strength, and it said, you know what? I'm going to break this downtrend. I'm going to try and set a new high. And when we didn't crack that all-time high, boy, this is when I literally said on Tuesday inside of Nordic Alpha right here, this was Tuesday, this does not scream strength to me. I literally showed this in my video inside of here. You can literally see me circling that exact level and saying, hey, we did not take this out. This is a very bad look for the S&P right now. And it was. And that is where everybody started shorting. And now we are at a pivotal level, $6,815. If this level does not hold, you have almost no chance of going back up, and you have a very high likelihood of going very far down. Now, what I want you to understand is, why is this happening? From a kind of like on like the dailies perspective, they're screaming that there is, no strength in the dollar, essentially, right? And then they're screaming that there is strength in the dollar, right? So if there's strength in the dollar, where do people put their money? They rotate it into treasuries, all right? They rotate it out of speculative assets, right? In times of uncertainty, which, let's be real, we are in times of uncertainty. Money doesn't just leave markets, it rotates into new ones, okay? So when people are taking their money out of the stock market, out of the crypto market, out of the gold and silver markets, right? They're not just putting it in their JP Morgan Chase bank account, they're rotating it into new assets, into different asset classes, into treasuries or whatever it may be. Now, if they're saying that the dollar is strong, then why is the S&P going down? If they're saying that the S&P isn't a house of cards and then it's not all built off of, like basically fugazi mathematics of companies that are at valuations that they cannot prove with their EPS, their earnings per share, nor their price per share, then how long do you think that they can really hold this up? Now, I know there was a big argument about Donald Trump's going to hold the market up because he doesn't want to see bear markets, and I get that. And his whole thing that he ran on was, hey, there's not going to be any bear markets inside of the S&P, right? Whenever I'm president and stuff like that, right? At some point, and I literally just said this in the group today, at some point, the money runs out. The currency dilutes and then makes it worth less, the currency dilution. You can continue to print the money and try to throw it into the markets, but eventually that money, that buying pressure, it runs out because people get tired of it and they're like, I'm rotating out. You literally see Berkshire Hathaway wiping their entire portfolio. Warren Buffett, some of the smartest money in the room, literally wiping their entire portfolio. When you're printing the money to throw it into the markets, you're actually devaluing the markets. And that's what they've been doing since COVID. And you're seeing that start to roll over now because people are starting to realize they just overinflated our currency. And even though the S&P is at $7,000, or it was, it's no different than whenever it was at $5,500 when we weren't printing money. So if you want the real downside targets, if you want the trade setups that I give out every single day and the high level analysis, get inside of Nordic Alpha. We are prepared for this. We are always preparing for these things. Gold, silver, crypto, S&P, all of them. We are prepared for all of them. I do daily analysis. I give out trade setups. If you want that to work for you, get inside of Nordic Alpha. It's $29 a month. It's less than $1 a day right now. You literally have the ability to get discounts on 3, 6, and 12-month memberships right now, for now. And I can assure you that the prices of Nordic Alpha will go up in 2026. If you like content like this and you appreciate it, make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you hit subscribe, and then boom, baby, bang on the notification bell. I hope to see you all in Nordic Alpha soon. I will see you all in the next video.